When you think of Wisconsin beer, Milwaukee immediately comes to mind. But if you check in with the capital city, Madison's beer scene might surprise you. Over the last few years, the Madison beer scene has exploded in creativity and production. Here are the top 6 breweries to grab a beer from in this quickly growing great beer city.
Subscribe!
Coming in at number 6 is Funk Factory, a small brewery pursuing traditional lambic beer. It is a beer experiment that is showing good results for founder Levi Funk. Check out their website for a growing list of beers available. To get a great beer, you may need to go to the source. With the number 5 best brewery in Madison, it may be your only option. With fresh beer being a policy, Working Draft Beer Company believes a tap room brings friends together. Their can runs can be limited, so swing by and grab crowlers out of their vast array of hop lovers beer. Do you believe in unicorns? Founded in 2012 as a 15-barrel tap house, Carbon 4 has grown to be one of the best breweries in Madison. Some of their flagship beers include Fantasy Factory, Ratty Cats, and Lady Luck. If you're looking for a flavorful, high ABV beer that will capture your imagination and your heart, look no further than number 3 Giant Jones Brewing. This local woman-owned brewery is certified organic and always working towards a better tomorrow. Their flagship double IPA packs a punch, and their rotating seasonals make it easy to satisfy any thirst. If it's art you're looking for, you can find it inside and outside the cans of our number 2 brewery, Untitled Art. Bringing the newest drink concepts with collabs with friends around the world, you will always be surprised to see the new release. Be sure to follow them to see what you can have shipped to your door. Shooting up the charts to number 1 is Youngblood Beer Company. Surviving through this tough environment, Youngblood was founded by 3 guys with different backgrounds with the goal to create a brewery where a tap list of ever-changing styles could intersect an environment that suggested that the beer had a story to tell. They are quickly becoming known for beers such as He's Playing Preston on TV, Topher Grace, No Absolutely Not, and the gregarious one. So next time you find yourself thirsty in Madison, remember who sent you. If you have a favorite brewery that wasn't on this list, make sure to leave it in the comments so I'll know to check it out.
Subscribe!